never occurred in my mind to pressure someone
Doesn't
to
excite
you.
propose.
Tama.
Yeah,
Right.
it doesn't apply to me. So I find that very fascinating because literally all my friends are like, I'm giving him an ultimatum.
Yan yung viral ngayon, yung sprinkle, blah, blah.
Si
Yan
Sprinkle,
yun.
Sprinkle, si Share
blah, blah.
7.
Right.
Yan yun. Sabi ko nga, ang guy,
Sprinkle.
kung seryoso sa'yo, simula pa lang, makapag-usapan na yan.
Right.
Actually, yun yung sabi mo kanina, na kapag sa simula pa lang, malinaw na sa'yo kung gusto ka ng guy. So
Yeah.
kapag nako-confuse ka, ibig sabihin hindi ka gusto ng guy. Yan ba yung ano?
Sa akin kasi, ganito yan. Kung sabihin natin,
sige,
kung
let's
feel
go.
ng guy na possible ka maging wife, kahit na hindi pa nagpo-propose ngayon, kahit pa paano, in the vicinity na paano tayo pag ilan ang gusto mong anak, mga ganyan ang tanong. Willing ka bang magbuntis? Natatanong na yan. Ginawa ko yan,
Babakuran ka
ginawa
na.
yan ng kapatid ko. Lalaki kami pareho.
Okay.
Ayan na may episode na to, 2 beses ako. Okay? So sa akin, pag hindi talaga ayaw talagang pag-usapan, medyo parang sinisilihan siya.
Yes, yes.
Medyo
yes.
para sa akin.
Hindi ka niya nakikita in
Yeah.
that dimension.
Tapos nagugulat kami, bagong girlfriend, 6 months pa lang nag-propose agad. Kasi nakita niya na ito yung gusto.
Totoo.
Tapos having all this emotional talk that he wasn't having with the previous girlfriend.
Yeah. So sometimes it's not about
The
you,
girl.
the girl. It's about
the
guy.
timeline of
It's about the
guy.
timeline. Anyway.
Ganda
Very
naman
interesting.
ng insight na yan. Like, I think a lot of women wants to hear that as comfort because
Yeah.
many of
Yeah.
them blames themselves
Yeah.
and many of them thinks na, what's wrong with
Nag-overthink.
me?
Yeah,
But
overthink.
it's just that mali yung timeline ng lalaki.
Yeah.
At hindi lang talaga ikaw yung para sa kanya. But it doesn't mean that you cannot find
Yes.
your person.
Yeah. And it doesn't mean there's something wrong with you also,
Yes.
diba? Na